Yo, what's up everyone? It's Space Explorer. Robots. From factories to our living rooms, they're already here. In this video, we'll introduce you to the remarkable robots already working alongside humans in various fields. We're gonna check out some familiar faces and maybe some you haven't seen before, all making a real impact. Let's dive in and see how these robots are impacting our world. First up, we've got Spot from Boston Dynamics. This agile, four-legged robot looks kinda like a dog, but it's way more capable than your average pup. It can navigate complex environments with ease, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. Imagine a construction site. It's a dangerous place for humans, but Spot can trot right in, no problem. It can capture three-dimensional maps of construction progress, inspect hazardous areas, all while keeping human workers out of harm's way. But it's not just construction. Spot's been deployed in mines, on oil rigs, even at nuclear power plants. Anywhere you need to collect data, inspect equipment, or just have an extra set of eyes and legs, Spot can handle it. And the coolest part? Spot is highly customizable. You can add different sensors, cameras, even robotic arms to suit your specific needs. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robots. Remember that dancing robot video that went viral? Yeah, that was Spot too. It can be programmed to perform complex movements and even interact with people, making it a hit in the entertainment industry as well. Next up, we're heading into the world of customer service with a robot that's all about human interaction. Let's face it, customer service can sometimes be, well, impersonal. But what if you walked into a store and were greeted by a friendly face, literally a robot with a face? Meet Pepper, the humanoid robot from SoftBank Robotics. Pepper is no ordinary robot. It's designed to understand and respond to human emotions. It can read your facial expressions, interpret your tone of voice, and even engage in casual conversation. Imagine walking into a retail store. Pepper greets you, answers your questions about products, and even helps you find what you're looking for. It can guide you through the store, provide recommendations, and make the entire shopping experience more interactive and enjoyable. Pepper's talents don't stop there. It's being used in hospitals to provide companionship to patients, in banks to answer frequently asked questions, and even in schools to assist teachers. Anywhere you need a friendly and helpful presence, Pepper can fill that role. What's really impressive is Pepper's ability to learn and adapt. The more it interacts with people, the better it becomes at understanding human behavior. Up next, we're stepping into the world of manufacturing with a robot that's changing the game for factory workers. Manufacturing. It's the backbone of our modern world, but it's also an industry that's been rapidly changing thanks to automation. And at the forefront of this robotic revolution is Baxter from Rethink Robotics. Baxter is a collaborative robot, or cobot for short, designed to work safely alongside humans in manufacturing environments. Unlike traditional industrial robots that are often caged off for safety, Baxter is built with advanced sensors and software that allow it to work in close proximity to people without posing a danger. Now, this is a game changer for factories. Baxter can handle repetitive tasks like loading and unloading machines, sorting and packaging products, even performing basic assembly operations. This frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks that require critical thinking and problem-solving skills. But Baxter isn't just about replacing human jobs, it's about creating a safer and more efficient workplace. It can handle tasks that are ergonomically challenging or even dangerous for humans, reducing the risk of workplace injuries. And here's the thing, Baxter is incredibly easy to train. Forget about complex programming languages. You can teach Baxter new tasks simply by moving its arms and demonstrating the desired motions. Next up, we're going from the factory floor to your living room with a robot that's been quietly changing the way we clean our homes. Alright, let's be real, nobody really enjoys vacuuming, right? It's time-consuming, it's tedious, it's just not fun. But what if you could have a robot do it for you? Enter iRobot's Roomba, the robotic vacuum cleaner that's become a household name. Roomba is the OG of home robots. It's been around for over 2 decades, and in that time it's revolutionized the way we clean our homes. Remember when vacuuming meant lugging around a heavy machine, tripping over cords and bumping into furniture? Yeah, Roomba took care of all that. This little disc-shaped robot might seem simple, but it's packed with technology. It uses sensors to map out your home, navigate around obstacles and avoid stairs. It can even detect dirtier areas that need extra attention. And the best part? You can just set it and forget it. Roomba will clean your floors while you're at work, watching TV, or even sleeping. It's like having your own personal cleaning crew, but way more affordable. The latest models come equipped with features like Wi-Fi connectivity, smartphone app control, and even self-emptying dustbins. You can now control your Roomba from anywhere in the world, schedule cleaning sessions, and monitor its progress all from your phone. Next up, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence with a language model that's changing the way we interact with technology. We've seen robots that can move, robots that can see, but what about robots that can think? Well, not exactly think in the human sense, but process information and generate human-like text. And that's where OpenAI's GPT-3 comes in. GPT-3 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, and it's a mouthful. But in simple terms, it's a language model, a supercomputer trained on a massive data set of text and code. It can generate realistic and coherent text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Think about it. You can have GPT-3 write you a poem, a song, a script, even a news article. It can generate different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. But GPT-3's capabilities go far beyond just creative writing. It can be used to improve chatbots, translate languages in real time, generate personalized content, even assist with coding and software development. It's like having a highly skilled assistant that can handle a wide range of language-based tasks. Now, GPT-3 isn't perfect. It can sometimes generate biased or inaccurate information, so it's important to use it responsibly and critically evaluate its output. But its potential is undeniable. GPT-3 is a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence, where machines can understand and generate human language with astonishing accuracy. From robots that can dance to robots that can write, the world of robotics is rapidly evolving. These are just a few examples of the incredible robots working alongside us today. From factories to homes, these machines are changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative robots to join the workforce, taking on new challenges and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content about the future of technology.